I am Rodrigo Roa Duterte. That's my first middle name is Roa. His surname is Duterte.
Merci beaucoup.
Thank you very much. What is your date of birth?
Again, ma'am.
Can we request that the question be repeated? I don't think he heard it. Thank you.
Repetition from the English booth. What is your date of birth? Yes, thank you very much, Council. I was asking quite simply of Mr. Duterte what his full names were, and then I subsequently asked him what his date of birth was and what his place of birth is. Is that all right, Council?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yep. Of course, I give. My birth month day is March 28, 1945. I was born in the province of Leyte in the Philippines.
Merci beaucoup.
Sir, final na ba talaga yung September 23, 2025 na confirmation of charges hearing? Wala na ba daw yung magagawa ang legal team ni President Duterte para to appeal, no? Dahil masyadong matagal, sir, yung panahon na yan considering the age of the former president.
Meron. Sa ICC, pwede tayo makafile ng very urgent motion for interim release, no? And yan yun, yung provisional release niya, i-allege natin lahat ng mga reasons, medical conditions, no? Or the fact that there is no jurisdiction that can, although as a general rule, hindi pwede pa yan, pero isabi natin na may pending proceeding na kasi, di ba, na nahabol ko yung pag-file ng petition for certiorari sa Supreme Court habang nasa Pilipinas pa si Tatay Digong. Pero sila General Torre kasi nagmamadali, inalis nila sa Pilipinas kasi alam nila may pending case na at gusto nilang madala na sa Hague si si President Rodrigo Duterte. But that can be used as an argument that since jurisdiction was already acquired at the time when when President Rodrigo Duterte was still here, then the Philippine Supreme Court, no, can still rule on my petition, although the Philippine Supreme Court cannot order the ICC, no, to drop the case, but it can order the respondents, no, it can order the respondents such as such as the DOJ secretary, the DFA secretary, to make the proper representations in the ICC that the rights of President Rodrigo Duterte were not respected, no, and were trampled upon while he was here, and that they can even make proper representations na wala na palang jurisdiction yung ICC, no. Mangyayari yan kung magmilagro tayo, magka-grant pa rin ng TRO yung Korte Suprema, or mag-grant din sila ng mandatory injunction, no, enjoining, commanding the respondents to make the proper representations with the ICC about the grave failure on the part of the respondents to accord Article 59 rights on the part of former President Rodrigo Duterte, and that their treatment, no, which was inhumane, no, would now reach the required standard as set in Prosecutor versus Dragan Nikolic, such that they can move there to oust the jurisdiction, no, of the ICC. Such pwede yan lahat gawain po. Posible po yung mga legal moves na yan po.